Good day, traders. It's very early right now. It's 10 o'clock. So let me tell you what happened here. So we got a double bottom here. Well, actually, right here. Right here, there's divergence. I'll even put the fucking lines on it. Right here. Okay? There's the double bottom. Here's the divergence pointing up, saying, oh yeah, get in here, it's going to go up. Well, it didn't go up. That's before the open. Here's the opening right here. 9:30. Right here was the opening. Okay? So it went up. They sold it off quickly. And I didn't react yet. I was trying to be cautious because it was in the first 8 minutes or so. And so I did not buy the dip here. Okay? It wasn't a lower close, buy it up it goes either. So as price was sitting here, I was thinking, oh, should I do it? Should I do it? Will it go back up and make a new high and sweep this high over here? And I got in somewhere probably about right here. And it went up and I got my profit right here at this top. Like I always do, because I'm afraid that it's going to hit it to a T and bounce off it and go back down, and I'd have a losing trade, right? Well, anyway, I had a winning trade. Did I make a lot? No, but I had one successful winning trade. Then, okay, it came up here where I took my profit. I was in a long from down here somewhere. And then it put in its high. It swept the highs, as the young traders like to call it. I just call it going after the stops. So then they smacked it down. And right here on this big red candle, I was saying, oh, should I buy it again? Thinking it's going to go up again. And I said to myself, nah, they already fucking took out the high and got the stops. Fuck it. I'm not going to take the trade. And then it came down here, and then it came down more down here. And I said, look at that fucking long candle. I said, no, Jason, don't take that trade. It's probably going to go down here, at least underneath the 600 level, right here. And I didn't take it, even though it would have been a successful trade, but I don't want to chase it. So anyway, came down here, then they whipped it back up. Then they came back again and whipped it back up. You know, I gave up by then. After I seen this big fucking candle right here, stop right here, I gave up. I said, don't touch it again, because you're just going to give what you just made back and more. In other words, I'd be in losses. That's what I said to myself. So I didn't trade, and I just watched it, and it just got fucking worse and worse, and now they're taking it back up to the top again. But you got to look at this, lady. You got to take a real good look at this situation right here. You got to be saying to yourself, this can't be liquidity that's doing this. It's somebody moving the fucking price where they want it to go. That's what's happening. It's just as obvious if it, you know, if you can't see that the situation, that the major situation, I'm not even going to say his name. I'll just say Don. Okay? That was planned out, man. That's not just some young buff that was up on the roof doing that. No, it was planned. It was planned. Anyway, that's all I'm going to say about that. And yeah. So there was still divergence when I got into this buy right here, okay? And all you have to do is just move this along, okay? Right there. It's like a 4x bottom. 1, 2, 3, 4 fucking times. It's like the ledge, okay? They're buying off the ledge. There is the ledge. See how all the candles stop in around the line? See that? See that? That's the ledge they bought off of. The bull ledge, I call it. The bull ledge. Not the bull leg. The bull ledge. That's what I see. It's like it's manipulated. It's controlled, man. You might as well just say if whatever you're trading, whether you're trading a prop firm, whether you're trading your own personal funds, they're trying to steal it from you. That's what's going on here. And if you don't know their tricks and you know and whatever, they'll catch you. They'll get you. They'll get you in the wrong fucking side of the trade. So anyway, that was the NASDAQ. Excuse me. Now I'm burping up my scrambled eggs. Okay, let's take a look at the S&P, the mess, just to see what it done. I think it's going to look similar. Where are you? The chart's not loading. What the hell's going on? Ah, that's why. My markets went out of order. That's what happened. Oh, it's thundering outside. Rain, rain, rain. Okay, let's look at the S&P and see what did it do. It was much easier to trade, actually. You just had a lower close, buy it, and up it goes. You would have been good. Yeah, you would have been good. Here, let me just move that up there. Just let me show you here. That's that ledge that was on the NASDAQ. Here it is on the S and the P, ladies and gents. And yeah, somewhere in here, but it was just like 5 to 10 minutes before the open. See, 9:30? Yeah. But anyway, there was a trade here, and you could have done it if you were brave to be a buyer. And then they did the same thing as the NASDAQ. They smacked it down, a huge candle, and smacked it down again. There was no whole numbers here, but yeah. You can see, like right here, they come down and they got stops under here, stops in here. That's what it's all about. One big stop hunt. They're hunting you down, man. That's it. But if you listen to me, and not that it's trading advice, I'm not a financial advisor, okay? But if you listen to me, you find the divergence, and then you know that they come and get the stops, and then you look to get in the trade, which was right in here somewhere, okay? And the price doesn't come back to your stop right here at the swing low. I've told you guys that so many times. Oh, yeah. There's a whole bunch of setups, too, on the 1 minute on the NASDAQ, or I mean the 2 minute. Were we just looking at the 2 minute? Let me go back to the NASDAQ. Oh, yeah, there's my phone. One sec. M&Q. Okay, here's the other trades beforehand. Let me show you. So we got higher highs. Forgot to show you these. I was just so concerned with this fucking shit right here. That's a mess, man. That's trickery. Look at that trickery. I'm telling you, if you don't have a strategy to get past this kind of action, I hate to tell you, you're going to lose, whether it's prop firm money or simulator money or your real money. But remember, whether if you're trading on a prop firm and you blow the fucking account, you paid money for that account, you're still losing money, even though it's not your own, money. But anyway, here was a trade here, and yeah, you could have got some profit. If you would have measured the 1-to-1 from their stop was right here and you sold it right here, you would have got your 1-to-1. Okay? And then right in here, we had what I call a buy fake hook down. Right here, you would have sold it. Boom, you would have made profit. Then price started going up here. See, low and lower low. Watch. There's lots of trades here today. There was lots of good trades before this catastrophe in here. Excuse me. Here's the setup. Didn't go very far. I doubt you got your 1-to-1, but you know, you could have got some profit in here, that's for sure. And then what did we have here? We had a double top right there. Ladies and gentlemen. See how it's pointing down on the Osma? That means it's going to go down. Did it go down? Yep. It sure did. And then I already showed you this trade here. Buying off the ledge. Yes, indeed. Buying off the ledge. And that's it for the MNQ. Now let's look at MetaTrader 4. And I'll just slide it over like that. And when I was looking at the 15-minute, well, that bearish turned into bullish very quickly. We don't need to look at this again. We already covered it. We're just going to go straight to the Dow now because we already covered the NASDAQ and the S&P. So here's the Dow. Oh, I don't see anything. See, they give the Dow a break today. See, there's a break. There's a little bit of volatility here, I guess. And then they smacked it down. Yeah. There's no divergence there, though. There's none. It went up too far, too fast. And then it came down too far, too fast. It's a write-off. There was no trade there. What about the pound yen? Pound yen was really crappy on the... No, actually. Actually, it was good. It's right here. Double bottom, lower lows, whatever you want to call them. Goes up like that. Would have got you long in there, and it went up pretty good. Went up 118. No, it went up 11 pips. Something like that. Yeah. Was there a trade here too? Yeah, there was. Right here. You would have bought in here. And it went up 16 pips, whole pips. And then we had lower lows right here. Oh, maybe not. Now see, this one's going down, see? See that? Oh, maybe it isn't. Ah. Little bugger. There. I don't want anybody to think I'm fudging it here. So I got to put it on there almost exactly. So yes, there was divergence here because this one's going up, this one's going down. Lower lows, ladies and gents, right there. Ladies and gents. And gone long right in there, and it went up 17 pips or so. That's a pound dollar. It was had good setups, but you wish they would go farther and give you more pips. Euro, what is it? What did it do? Yeah, it had double bottom, pretty close to it. like this. And you would have got long in there. And how many pips did it go up? Oh, more than the pound. It went up 27 pips to the top. That's it for that. Hear that thunder? It's raining here. That's good because rain makes grain. And we need food. That's the Lord Jesus raining down upon us to make us food to keep care of us. Holy jeez. Look at the pound yen. What a mess. I'm not marking nothing on there. It's just a mess. Just a mess. Euro yen has a perfect double top up here. But this here, because this side is deeper than this one, there's no divergence to buy this up in here. The only trade I see is up here, double top. That's it. And that's all. Right there. It would have got short and went down 15 pips. Or yeah, 15 pips. It's the euro yen. It's a joke. It's a joke. I wouldn't even trade that trade. I would trade this trade. I would trade the lower close, buy it up it goes, lower close, or hook up right here. Lower close, buy it up it goes. Well, I'd better mark those, for there could be someone new watching the channel. Okay. Lower close candle, close to the 5. The white line is the 5. You would have bought it and up it went. It was a successful trade right here. Lower close, buy it, up it goes. Here's another one, lower close, buy it, up it goes. That's enough of them. Yeah. That's enough. Okay. So that's it for the euro yen. Now we're looking at oil. It shot down today, didn't it? Oh, yeah. They're really messing with people with oil. Oh, my God. Okay. Yeah, I guess there was a... There's trades on all these turns. There's trades on all these turns. Yes, indeed. And another one here. I think. Yeah. If you draw it from here right through, just like that, there's the divergence. 3 divergence setups, all of them worked. Buy right there. Wrong arrow. Sell right up there. When I point out every setup with these arrows, like I'm talking, that was your exact entry point, and it's not like you would have to guess to find it, because at the same time the 5 always crosses down, and then the signal happens, and on the close of that candle and the opening of the next candle, that's where you'd sell it. It's right here. See, this candle closed up above, 5 closed up above. Here's where you would buy it. There's no guessing. It's like exact to the point to where you would enter. I know exactly where you're supposed to enter. Exactly. In time, too. Oh, my well is dry. I might have to go get some water. Okay, so there was a sell trade in here. Somewhere out, it got in just below these wicks right here and went down 63 ticks. That's oil. And it had other successful trades over here, as you can see. So let's look at gold now. Wow. Look at this, eh? Eh? Look at this, eh? Ah, fucking Canadians, eh? Hey, see, I did it. I did it again. Holy shit. Too funny. Um, no, there's one here. Just one sec, please. I gotta get rid of some stuff. Yesterday's arrows and stuff. Oh, there's hidden divergence. Anyway, there's a trade. Is it up? Yeah, it's up here. It's a double top. Yeah, there's trades all over the place. There's trades all over the place, ladies and gentlemen. I don't know, wherever it is. Somewhere like that. I know it looks weird, but we're drawing it from here to here and from here to here. Let's see. Yeah, right there. That's where it goes. That's where she goes, by arrows. We need the arrows. And we have divergence again. Right here. Holy jeez. Double bottom. And double bottom. Hold on. Now it's from over here. Something like that. Oh, it's over here. There it is. And your entry is, now you'd get in after the double bottom, so the entry is over here. Let me make that bigger for you guys so you can see it. Okay. There was this one right here. I didn't mark it. Would have sold it. Down it went nicely on gold. Then right here, ding. Oh, I didn't mark it. Shit. Okay. Would have got long there. And up it went. And there's also another one, but didn't get you very far. You would have sold it in there, and I don't know if you would have hit. Let's see. If you sold it right there, your stop would have been like 23 ticks. 24. You would have just got it if you had set your take profit the same amount of your stop loss. Okay, I'm not a financial advisor. Okay, and here's another double top over here, and I didn't mark it either. It's right here. Down like that. And down it went. And then a double bottom right here. And up it went. So who the fuck says higher highs and double tops and double bottoms don't work? They're on almost every corner. Oh, that can't work. That possibly can't work because it's on every time the market changes direction. Yeah. Same with that number 5 crossing up. Oh, you can't trust that. Because it happens on every turn in the market. Remember, the market turns corners 80% of the time. The other 20%, you get chopped up and fucked. Fooked, man. Fooked good. Okay? So anyway, there's all the setups, ladies and gentlemen. Look at them all. And like I told you just a few minutes ago, every trade there's an exact time you get in the trade, you know, and that's it. There's no guessing. There's no this. There's no that. Once you follow all the criteria of my strategy here, you'll see that not only when you get in does it hardly ever go against you, and it doesn't come back and hit your stop. It's at an exact point in time when you do the trade. Telling you, man, this fucking trading system is the best. I know. I have to just say that. I am not conceited. I am not saying that I'm the king of trading. But look at this, man. I show you guys every day, every day over and over again, the same kind of setups, and they all work, most of them. Every one of these trades here, they all worked. There's 6 of them on this screen right here. 6 of them on gold. Usually gold is shit. Well, gold was really golden today. Okay, let's move on now. That's it for those markets. And now we'll move to Bitcoin. Crypto. Oh, it's coming back. It's coming back up. Mode Z. Holy. She going to go and make a new high now? Past 76,000? Past 80,000? I don't know. Maybe it had something to do with Dawn yesterday. I don't know. XRP? Oh, it's still hanging out up there. That's good. It rallied up pretty good. Yeah. Rallied up 16 cents. Can't wait to see it at $160. If I see it there, oh, I'll be smiling. I'll be smiling. Okay, and then silver's probably still just hanging out there. Yeah, that's what it's doing. And Ethereum, it must be up today. Yeah, it's up, just like Bitcoin. Okay, that is it for today. Let's go back to that gold chart. Look at how beautiful that is. Oh my goodness. Look at those trades. Just beautiful. So anyway, once again, my name is Jason Sweezy, the Divergence Trader. I'm from Canada. As you can see, I say a lot. Too much, I guess. It's just something that's in our vocabulary up here. If you ever been to Minnesota or Wisconsin, yeah, they kind of sound like us too there. They don't have the American accent. They have more so kind of like the Canadian accent. But anyway, I want to thank you today for coming out and watching and listening. And God bless Donald Trump. I'm happy to hear that he's okay. And they missed him by like a quarter of an inch to half an inch. If he would have just been another half inch, they would have got him right in the head, in the back of the brain. That's where the bullet would have went. Anyway, crazy shit, man. Crazy shit. So anyway, come back tomorrow. I've got many more beautiful setups for you. Good luck and good trading.